Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So in this video sequence, you can see my client's working on end range knee flexion. So she had a knee replacement on the right side, and you can see that we are placing her foot on the second step. She's holding onto the handrail on the right, and she's shifting her weight gradually front to back into and as close to the end of her available range as possible. Now, what you can't see is that we started this exercise with both feet on the floor, doing mini squats. We progressed to the right foot on the first step, used that position for about 30 to 40 seconds before we placed her foot on the second step. Unless she was exceptionally tall, we probably would never reach the third step. But in this position, you can see that she's shifting her hips front to back as she moves forward. The knee is bending. Her quadricep muscle is working to kind of control that move into flexion. And then she moves back, releases the pressure. When she's shifted back, she can work on knee extension. When she's shifted forward, she wants to work on knee flexion. I would typically spend 3 to 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, working on this exercise at home as an easy functional way to improve range of motion.